Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a brand new video. Today we are going to be testing random makeup, a little bit of drugstore, a little bit of high-end. These are products that I received for free, aka PR. I've had these products for quite some time. I didn't get to use every single thing, but I pretty much used most of the products that I had been hoarding, saving, and waiting on. But yeah, you guys, we're going to be just having fun doing our makeup. I did use again the So Jaded palette by Kathleen and ColourPop. You guys seem to really like this palette and you guys are requesting for me to use it. Today I decided that I wanted to play with the greens because I really wanted to use the lime green on the palette, and I mean, with that said, we're going to get ready. I'm going to be giving you a little bit of life update, just how I've been feeling, all that jazz. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure you go ahead and continue watching. And if you like what you see, join the team, join the Lash Babe team. Hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you never miss another video. I upload 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Make sure you're following me on my Instagram as well, because sometimes I do giveaways and I post tons of makeup looks. So with that said, let's jump right into the video. Alright, I'm looking a little crazy, but this is just going to help us keep our face nice and clean and free from any hair. So with that said, we're going to start with the primer. I got a PR package from Laura Mercier. They sent me a bunch of their stuff. Thank you so much to Laura Mercier for hooking me up. I'm going to be trying this foundation primer. This is supposed to, I guess it's like a tinted moisturizer. Or it can be applied with your moisturizer. I don't know, it's just a smooth on foundation primer by gently massaging over skin's surface. So we're gonna see how this goes. I hope this doesn't make me too oily throughout the day because I am an oily little girl. Next, for my foundation, I am going to be trying this Kevyn. I've had this for quite some time, and you guys know, with everything going on in my life, I hadn't had the time to really test it out, and we're going to test it today. Now, this is the foundation Balm, and the shade is medium FB06. And I just have a strong feeling that this is not going to match me very well. But we're going to see. We're not going to judge it. I also received the Glass Glow Face Illuminator, which is this one right here. This is the shade that I actually chose. So really quickly, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to dispense a small amount. And I'm just going to apply it like right here and right there. And I'm just going to use the little brush to push it into the skin. I want to see how this works as far as really like brightening up my skin. I can never say that word. This is supposed to be obviously like it says, a face illuminator. It does feel a little bit thick, and I like how it looks on the skin. It feels a little bit tacky, so I don't know how it's going to like dry down. We're gonna see how this blends with the foundation. I feel like I would actually like this for like no makeup days when I am just like literally bare skin. Sorry guys, my mom just came in because we are going to make some gorditas later. So anyway, this foundation is not going to work for me. I mean, look at that. That is super, super light, and the undertone is totally off. So well, that is a bummer. I'm not going to use this because it's just going to throw me off for the entire day. My makeup is not going to look bomb. So if you guys have this foundation and you're my shade, please let me know what shade you picked up, because unfortunately I grabbed the wrong one. Okay, this is a foundation that I'm definitely going to go with. NYX Born to Glow. Oh my god, this foundation is amazing. And even though it's a little darker for my skin, like, it's okay because I rather like bring it down to my neck. So we're just going to buff this into the skin using my little Morphe brush. So a little life update, you guys. So you know that I unfortunately had a miscarriage during my pregnancy, obviously, duh, Karina. And before I got pregnant, I actually wanted to start going to the gym. Now, if you know me personally, like on a personal level, I am the laziest person when it comes to like working out. No me gusta. I just don't like going to the gym. I feel like everybody is staring at me when I'm going to the gym, and people probably don't even notice me. But I just get intimidated because I don't know how to work like the machines, and so I feel dumb trying to figure out how to use them. And me being me, I don't ask for help. I'm just like, I can figure it out, and then I never do. So going to the gym has never really been like my thing. Like, I don't know, I just never been into it. So I was like, okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take classes, because I know that if I take either like cycling classes or anything that will help me shed some weight. Now, with that said, I don't feel like I necessarily need to lose the weight, because for my height and my frame, I'm only 5 feet and I have a small frame. I'm currently sitting at 130 pounds. So yeah, so I'm not super overweight, but I definitely need some definition to my body. And I think, or I'm actually going to sign up for cycling classes. I have tried Zumba in the past, and girl, it is not pretty. I believe, I am a firm believer that I was born with a two-lift feet, because I cannot dance for the life of me. Like all my tias, you guys know I'm Mexican. And, you know, a lot of Latinos, a lot of Mexicanos know how to dance to all types of music, and nope, not me. Apparently my dad was a really good dancer. My mom is a really good dancer. My oldest sister is a good dancer. My youngest sister dances pretty good as well. And I'm like the odd one in the family. I'm the oddball. I don't know how to dance, and I don't like it. And so when I've tried Zumba in the past, I am not coordinated at all. And I didn't like it. I just felt silly like dancing, because everybody was going to the left and I was going to like the right. So it was just not pretty. So I'm excited. I'm excited for this like new chapter in my life, and I really hope I'm going to push myself to really stick with it, because every time that I've tried working out in the past, I stick with it for a good month and then I lose inspiration or whatever it may be, and then I start slacking off, and then I stop going to the gym. For bronzer, I'm going to try this Laura Mercier matte bronzing powder in the shade Soleil 1. I don't know if this is actually going to show up on my skin because it looks a little bit light, but we're going to try it anyways. I'm going to take my Morphe E4 brush, and oh, I see a little bit of a tint. I usually like a pretty intense bronze, but this is pretty. It's like subtle. I've never tried any Laura Mercier products besides their translucent powder, which they also sent me, but I have so many opened translucent powders that I'm just like keeping it for backup, you know. So yeah, you guys, that is, I guess, a mini little life update. Is yay for me going to the gym. If you guys know, or if you guys have like certain things that keep you inspired and push you to going to the gym, let me know, because I definitely need all the motivation I can get. I just easily get uninspired by things, and unfortunately the gym is one of them. And I don't only want to do it for physical appearance. I mean, I obviously want to feel good in my skin and I want to look good, and you know, I'm just tired of having like tamales arms. That's what we call them, Señora Tamalera. It means that the ladies that make tamales. I don't know. On another note, this is going to be a little TMI, but you guys know after I had my loss, I was told by the doctor that I needed to take pills to get rid of everything and cleanse my body. And I took the pills last Thursday to, again, cleanse my body. Okay, I'm going to take this Gleams highlighter by the brand Mynena. This is, I think it's a Puerto Rican owned brand, so it is a Latino based, which I was like, yes, I'm all for. So it has a pink one, a bronze C shade, and then it has this like light gold. So I'm just going to take a mix of these two, and we're gonna pop that onto the cheeks. Oh wow. Oh wow, I was not expecting that. I'm just feeling so good, you guys. After my body was cleansed, I felt like myself again. You know, that entire week I was just feeling down. I was feeling sad, and what made it even harder was that I still had like all the pregnancy symptoms. Like I was just tired, I was hungry, everything that I had, you know, no morning sickness, but I still had all the signs of me being pregnant. And Friday morning, once my body was like nice and cleansed, I literally felt like myself again. Like my energy was back, my mood was back. Like I just felt like myself. Really quickly, I'm going to apply this blush. I got a cute little PR package from JCat Beauty. These are their new BlushMallow Soft Blusher. It's a cream blush. They have a bunch of shades. This one looks so intense. Look at that. It's like a hot tangerine, and it has like gold reflex, but they have so many different shades that I don't know which one to pick. Look at this hot red. That's too much. This one is really pretty. This one is called Dolly Peachy. Dolly Peachy. And even though it's a pretty bright orange, I feel like you can work with it. And then they also have these two pink ones. I think I'm going to go for this bronzy one. I just love bronzy colors on my skin. I just feel like they complement me. So this is Angel Kisses, and this is what it looks like. It literally looks like a bronzer. You're supposed to apply it with your hands. Oh, that does look like a bronzer. But let's try it out. Oh, that's pretty. I can see a little flush of color. I'm actually going to take a little bit of Dolly Peachy. I just really want to see how this works. Oh, that is intense. Okay, we're going to rub some off on the back of our skin and then just lightly tap it over. Oh my god! Stop it. That is so pretty. I am sold. I am sold on these blushes. Wow, I really like these. I also wanted to show you guys these new LA Color lip oils. They sent me a bunch of them, and I am down to 4. My daughter stole like 3 of them, and then 2 of the other ones are in my bag. But these are really cool. They contain 24 karat like golden flakes, which I don't know if it's true, but I really like how they make my lips super glossy. And I like to apply these, or I like to use these when I'm wearing like no makeup, or if I just feel like my lips are super dry. I'll just throw this on, and I mean, it looks really pretty because they are super shiny. Let's start playing with this eyeshadow. We're going to take the shade Jade, which is this gorgeous olive green, and we're just going to pack it all over the crease. Then I'm actually going to go with the shade Geodude, which is this one, since it's very similar in tone to the olive green. It just looks a little like khaki, mustardy, pukey color. And we're going to see how well this blends with the green. So we're just going to diffuse those colors together. And for the very top color, I am going to go in with Citrine, which is this mustard shade, and that is just going to blend the color a little bit more and just make it look a little bit prettier. Now that it's nice and diffused, we're going to go back and we're going to do a half cut crease just like I did in my previous video. So I'm just going to speed through this process, and yeah, we're just going to cut our crease. I'm going to go to the shade Period or Peridot. I don't know how you spell it, but or pronounce it, but this is a gorgeous like lime green shade, and we're just going to throw that all over the lid. Woo! That is pigmented. Wow. Wow, this shade is stunning, and I didn't even wet my brush. Now I'm going to go back and diffuse the shades on the outer part of the eye using, again, Jade, Geodude, and then we're going to take Citrine. For the inner corner, I think I'm going to go back with Topaz, which is the glitter. I just feel like this look is very like green, mauve, lime green, yellow, and so I don't know, glitter just seems appropriate, right? Glitter seems appropriate all the time. So oh my god, I am obsessed. I'm going to take a little bit more of that Period, and I'm just going to apply it down here in the lower lash line. I'm not sure what what lashes I want to do. I've had these for a while. These are the Mynena lashes. These look really pretty. These are in the style Kimberly. I just don't know if they're going to be a little too big. And then I have these. These are really long, so I don't think I'm going to use these. These are Melody. So I'm going to go ahead and pop on some lashes, and that'll be that. I'm going to take the liquid lipstick. Oh, this is a pretty color. Let's go in with the Kevyn Glass Glow Lip in the shade Prism Rose. I hope this isn't like too shiny because, ooh, that's perfect. And that is the end of this look. These are all products that I absolutely got for free in PR. Thank you so much to all the brands for sending me these products. There's really nothing that I didn't like. The only thing that I was like, is the Kevyn foundation, and it's not because I didn't like it. It just didn't match me. But other than that, what do you guys think of this look? Like, this palette is just... it's so good, you guys. If you guys are still thinking about getting this palette, don't think about it twice. Grab it before it sells out again. I will definitely be doing more looks. I think next I'm going to play with the blue colors around here because they're just gorgeous. I just really wanted to use this green. But yeah, guys, that is it. I just added this cute little, these little, what are they called? Hair clips? I don't know. I got them from Ross. I saw them yesterday and it says, "Call me." That is it for me, you guys. I am going to leave because my mom, my sister, and my tias are waiting for me so we can eat some gorditas. Oh, I need to stop eating gorditas because I am getting gordita. Thank you guys for joining me today. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye.